Hi, this is Ranchod from the Ranchod Law Group, and today we're going to talk about the H1B cap gap. As many of you are aware, on April 1st, you can apply for an H1B, and typically with this year and last year, I predict that the H1B cap will be met April 1st of 2014 of this year, and it was met last year. And in that situation, if there's more H1Bs, then the 65,000 allotted and the 20,000 allotted for master's degree, there's a lottery. Now, a common question that I get is, well, what if I'm in F1 OPT status and my OPT expires before the start date of October 1st, 2014, or whatever the fiscal year is? And in that situation, you can stay in the United States if your OPT expires after the time that you applied for the H1B. So let's take a look at a hypothetical example of how this plays out. So for instance, Louisa, hypothetical person, applies for H1B on April 1st and her OPT expires on April 15th. In that situation, she can stay in the United States until October 1st, the actual start date, because of the cap gap rules, which automatically extends her OPT until October 1st. Now, what happens if her H1B is denied? In that situation, she would have a 60-day grace period to leave the United States. And it's also very important to not travel, otherwise you would have to consular process and apply for the H1B at the U.S. Embassy. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and until our next weekly video session, thanks so much. Click on the pictures above that best describes the service you're seeking. I'm attorney Kaushik Ranchod with the Ranchod Law Group. Whether you're trying to determine the type of visa or green card you qualify for, or just need tips on what to look for in hiring an immigration attorney, we have the answers. My team of professionals is comprised of many immigrants, and we understand how complex the process can be on your own. Give my office a call today for a free consumer's guide on hiring an immigration attorney.